Hi, this is Kortnie from Gib Olinger Elementary. Thank you for joining me today. I have a couple activities that we've already done and some that are coming up that I'd like to share with you. Yesterday, our third graders were able to recap their visits to the Welcome Table Farm, which was an amazing opportunity for them to explore bugs and be able to plant and harvest some of the vegetables there. We also had our kindergarten second grade concert this month, which is a good turnout usually, seeing families and students perform. Towards the end of the month, we have our dunk tank challenge. So our students that have been testing, our third graders have done their SBAC and the rest of the school have done their iReady. They'll be able to dunk some staff in a dunk tank, so that'll be a fun experience for them. We are looking for volunteers for our garden program that we have at the school right now. So if you're interested in that, please reach out to our office and we'll get you an application for that. And then we have our Goodbye Wave and Corn Dog Day in June on the 7th from 5:30 until 7:30. And we look forward to seeing you and your families there. I hope everyone had a wonderful school year. Remember this summer to do your reading and stuff, and we look forward to seeing you in the fall. Enjoy summer break, and we'll see you in September. Thank you.